I hope you are doing great. So class, today is 15th of April 2021 and the day is Thursday. Okay? So class, in yesterday's lesson we studied about the concept of how we can add numbers which goes up to million. Isn't class? Alishba? Very good. So I have first number 8. I have an example 8 space 465 space 321 plus 7495 plus 118626. Okay, I have three numbers. The first is 8 space 465 space 321. The second number is 7495. The third number is 118626. So first of all, I will write these numbers into vertical form. 8 space 465 321. The next number is 7495. Starting from this side, which is 5 is below 1, 9 is below at 2 and 4 is below at 3. Now the next number is 7, which is below at 5. Now the third number, which is 118 space 626. So I am starting from this side. 6 is at below 5, 2 is at below 9, 6 is at below 4, 8 is below at 7, 1 as it is and 1 as it is. Now I am going to solve one by one. Okay class, let's see here. 1 for upper, I am starting from this side. 5 for middle, 1 2 3 4 5, and 6 for lower, 1 2 3 4 5 6. In total I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. I have 2-digit number. Okay, 2-digit number. So I will write 2, which is at unit place, below 6, and 1 as a carry. Okay, 1 as a carry. Now the next number, which is 2 plus 1 is 3 for upper, 1 2 3, 9 for middle, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and 2 for lower. So in total I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. 14, 2-digit number. So I will write 4 below 2 and 1 as a carry. Fine. Now the next number, which is 3 plus 1, which is 4 in total at upper place, 4 is at middle and 6 is at lower. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. I have 14 again. Fine class. So this is a 2-digit number, so I will write 4 below 6 and 1 as a carry. Fine. Now the next number, which is 5 plus 1 for upper, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 7 for middle, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and 8 for lower, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So in total I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 and 21. 21 in total. Okay class, 21 in total. So this is a 2-digit number, so I will write 1 at unit place below 8 and 2 as a carry. Fine. 2 lower. So in total class, yes Abu Bakr? Very good. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in total. Fine. Now the next number, which is 4 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 4 lower. So in total I have 5. In total I have 5. Okay. Now the next number, which is 8 in total. 8 as it is, because there is not any number below 8. So I will write as it is. So according to this class, we can read as this number 8,591,442. Is it clear, class? Okay. Now I am going to move next question, which is question number 6. Page number 7 and question number 6. Statement is write the number which is A part 5,000 more than 20 space 045 space 624. Okay. I have a question in which 5,000 more than 20 space 045 space 624. So class, what would I do? Yes Sikandar, you tell me. वेरी गुड. इसका क्या मीन है कि ये जो नंबर है हमारे पास 5,000 मोर देन दिस नंबर. मोर का मीन क्या है? प्लस. इस नंबर में हम इस 5,000 को क्या करेंगे? ऐड. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट 20 स्पेस 045 स्पेस 624. देन वी विल ऐड 5,000 in it. 1, 2, 3, 0 is below at ones column and 5 is below 5, which belongs to thousands, millions. Fine. Now I am going to add. I am starting from this side because it is the rule of any operation to solve from this side. Now first value, which is 4 plus 0. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 0 is 6. Now the next number, which is 5 plus 5. 5 for upper, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 for lower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes Alina, you tell me. 5 plus 5. Very good. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. We have 2-digit number. So we will write 0 is at unit place and 1 is on 4. Fine. Now 4 plus 1 is 5 as it is, 0 as it is and 20 as it is. Okay class, in total we have 20 space 050 space 624 and we can read as 20,50,624. 2024. 20,50,624. Okay. Now class, I am going to repeat again. Just listen to me very carefully. I have question in which the statement is write the number which is 5,000 more than 20 space 045 space 624. So first of all, I have to write this number into vertical form. But उसने क्या कहा, क्या है हमें कि ये जो नंबर है इसमें आपने 5,000 ऐड करना है. हमें कैसे पता चला? How do we know that we will add 5,000 in this number? Because there is a word used which is more than. So it's more than का क्या मीन है कि हमने इसमें एडिशन करना है 5,000. Now I will write first number as it is 20 space 045 space 624 and 5,000 उसमें ऐड करूंगी. Then I will get 4 plus 0 is 4, 2 plus 0 is 2, 6 plus 0 is 6, 5 plus 5 is 10. So I have write 0 below the 5 and 1 as a carry. The next number will be 5, then 0, 0 and 2 as it is. So in total we can read as 20,50,624. Okay. Now the next part which is B, 800 more than B part, 800 more than 12 space 695 space 382. Okay, I have 800. I have a question in which 800 more than 12 space 695 space 382. So first of all, I will write this number as it is 12 space 695 space 382. Okay. So as I know, the main unit of 382 is ones, thousands and millions. Okay. Now back to the question. उसने क्या कहा है? You have to solve 800 more than 12 space 695 space 382. Means वो कह रहा है कि इस नंबर में हमने क्या ऐड करना है? More than का क्या मीन बताया था मैंने? Plus we have to add 800 in this. So 0, 0 and 8. We will add. Now 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 8. 3, 4 upper and 8, 4 lower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 in total, which is 2-digit number. I will write 1 at unit place and 1 as a carry. Now for next, which is 5 plus 1, which is 6 in total. This 9 as it is, this 6 as it is and this 12 as it is, because there is no because there is no value below these numbers. Fine. In total we have 12,696,182. Fine class. Okay. Now I have another example, C part. 20,000 more than 1 space 465 space 834. 834. 1 space 462 space 834. Fine. So as I told you class, more than means plus. More than means plus. We have two numbers, so we will add two of them. First number is, जो राइट साइड पे होगा उसको फर्स्ट पे मैं लिख लेती हूँ, 1 space 462 space 834 and the next number which is 0 0 0 20,000. I will write 20 as it is. This belongs to 1, so I will write ones, thousands according to place value chart and millions. Fine. Now 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 0 is 3. 8 plus 0 is 8. Fine. Next number, because there is a space in between of two numbers, so this space indicates the next unit, which is 1000. So what is the first value of 1000 from this right side? 2, which is upper value, and the lower value is 0. So 2 plus 0 is 2. The next value of 1000 from the right side is 6. Upper value which is 6 and the lower value is 2. So for upper we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and for lower we have 2. So in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in total. Okay class? Now 4 as it is. Now space as it is and 1 as it is because there is no digit below the numbers. Fine? Is it clear or not? Okay. So we can read as the number which is in total 1,482,834. Is it clear class? Okay. Now I am going to solve D part. ओके, मोर देन का क्या मीन बताया था मैंने क्लास आपको? प्लस. सो वी विल ऐड बोथ नंबर्स. फर्स्ट वैल्यू विच इज 2 space 695 space 148 and the second number is 12,000. I will add one by one. This belongs to ones, thousands and millions. We will add one by one. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. 4 plus 0 equals to 4. 1 plus 0 equals to 1. 5 plus 2. 5 4 upper, 1 2 3 4 5 and 2 4 lower. So in total we have 7. Now for next value which is 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 1 4 lower. So in total we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 2 digit number. So we will write unit value which is 0 below 1 and 1 as a carry. Okay. Now the next number which is 6 plus 1 which is equals to 7. Fine. Now the next number which is 2 as it is. In the end we have 2 space 707 space 148 and we can read this total number as 2,707,148. Okay class. So this is all and you have to practice. It's related question which is on page number 7. If you still find any difficulty, you can ask me. Thank you. Happy learning. Allah Hafiz.